Have you ever thought about taking your first international trip but felt unsure where to go? Traveling to another country for the first time can feel exciting but also a little overwhelming. New languages, unfamiliar transportation, and different cultures can make the experience feel challenging for beginners. But the truth is, there are many countries around the world that are incredibly friendly and easy for first-time travelers. These destinations offer safe environments, reliable transportation, and welcoming cultures for visitors. They also provide unforgettable scenery, amazing food, and memorable cultural experiences. From vibrant cities to peaceful landscapes, these countries make international travel simple and enjoyable. Many travelers begin their global adventures in places that balance comfort, adventure, and accessibility. Today you will discover 10 of the best countries for first-time international travelers. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel documentaries and amazing destinations around the world. 10. Portugal. Friendly culture and easy travel. Portugal is one of the most welcoming countries in Europe and perfect for travelers visiting another country for the first time. Cities like Lisbon and Porto offer colorful streets, historic trams, and scenic viewpoints over the ocean. Public transportation is simple, reliable, and easy for tourists to navigate. English is widely spoken, which makes communication comfortable for new travelers. The country also offers beautiful beaches, historic castles, and charming villages. Portuguese cuisine includes delicious seafood, pastries, and traditional dishes. Travelers can explore lively cities while also enjoying peaceful coastal towns. Friendly locals and relaxed culture create a comfortable travel experience. Portugal combines safety, affordability, and beauty in one destination. It remains a perfect starting point for international travel. 9. Japan. Clean, safe, and fascinating. Japan is known worldwide for being extremely safe, clean, and organized, making it ideal for first-time travelers. Cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka combine modern technology with ancient traditions. Public transportation, including bullet trains, is efficient, easy to understand, and reliable. Travelers can visit historic temples, peaceful gardens, and vibrant city districts. Japanese culture values hospitality, which makes visitors feel welcome. Food experiences range from sushi restaurants to local street food markets. Seasonal events like cherry blossom season create unforgettable scenery. Even large cities feel organized, calm, and easy to navigate. Travelers enjoy both cultural discovery and modern convenience. Japan offers a unique but comfortable introduction to international travel. 8. Canada. Familiar culture and natural beauty. Canada is one of the easiest countries for travelers because of its friendly people and familiar Western culture. Cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal offer modern attractions, multicultural communities, and vibrant neighborhoods. English is widely spoken, which helps first-time travelers communicate easily. Public transportation and tourism services are well developed and simple to use. The country also offers breathtaking natural scenery, including mountains, lakes, and forests. National parks provide opportunities for hiking, wildlife viewing, and photography. Canadian cities feel safe, clean, and welcoming for international visitors. Travelers can experience both urban life and outdoor adventures. Cultural festivals, museums, and food scenes create exciting experiences. Canada remains one of the most comfortable destinations for beginners. 7. Italy. History, art, and incredible food. Italy is perfect for travelers who want to experience history, culture, and amazing cuisine during their first international trip. Cities like Rome, Florence, and Venice offer some of the most famous landmarks in the world. Visitors can explore ancient ruins, museums, cathedrals, and historic streets. Italian cuisine attracts travelers with pizza, pasta, gelato, and rich Mediterranean flavors. Public transportation allows easy travel between major cities. Small towns and countryside villages reveal authentic Italian culture. Travelers enjoy scenic landscapes, historic architecture, and lively city life. Italian hospitality makes visitors feel welcome and relaxed. Every region offers unique traditions, foods, and scenery. Italy remains one of the most unforgettable destinations for first-time travelers. 6. Thailand. Affordable and adventure-filled. Thailand is one of the most popular destinations for travelers exploring Asia for the first time. Bangkok offers vibrant street markets, golden temples, and energetic city life. Travelers can relax on tropical islands with white sand beaches and turquoise water. Thai cuisine is famous for its bold flavors, noodles, curries, and street food. Affordable prices make it possible to enjoy amazing experiences without spending too much money. Friendly locals and strong tourism infrastructure help travelers feel comfortable. Visitors can explore jungles, waterfalls, and historic temples across the country. Night markets and cultural festivals add excitement to every trip. Thailand balances adventure, relaxation, and cultural discovery perfectly. It remains one of the best first destinations in Asia. 5. Spain. Vibrant culture and easy exploration. Spain offers lively cities, beautiful beaches, and rich cultural traditions for travelers. Barcelona attracts visitors with creative architecture, colorful markets, and seaside views. Madrid features grand museums, historic streets, and vibrant nightlife. Spanish cuisine includes tapas, seafood, and delicious regional specialties. Public transportation makes it easy to travel between cities. Festivals, music, and dance reflect the energetic culture of the country. Historic villages, castles, and mountains add variety to the landscape. Travelers enjoy warm, weather-friendly locals and exciting cultural experiences. Every region reveals unique traditions and scenic beauty. Spain is an exciting and accessible destination for new travelers. 4. Australia. English-speaking and adventure-ready. Australia is one of the easiest international destinations thanks to its English-speaking environment. Cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane offer modern attractions, beautiful beaches, and vibrant nightlife. Travelers can explore natural wonders such as the Great Barrier Reef. National parks protect forests, deserts, and unique wildlife. Public transportation and tourism services make travel simple for visitors. Australian culture is relaxed, friendly, and welcoming to tourists. Outdoor adventures include surfing, hiking, and coastal road trips. Modern cities provide world-class food, shopping, and entertainment. Travelers enjoy both urban excitement and natural exploration. Australia offers an exciting yet comfortable first international travel experience. 3. France. Culture, cuisine, and iconic landmarks. France is famous for its art, architecture, and world-renowned cuisine. Paris attracts visitors with landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. Travelers enjoy charming cafes, elegant streets, and historic neighborhoods. French cuisine includes pastries, cheeses, wines, and gourmet meals. Beyond Paris, visitors can explore castles, vineyards, and countryside villages. Public transportation makes traveling across the country convenient. Cultural festivals, museums, and art galleries create memorable experiences. Every region offers different traditions, scenery, and flavors. France combines culture, history, and beauty in one destination. It remains one of the most inspiring countries for travelers. 2. New Zealand. Safe, scenic, and easy to explore. New Zealand is known for its safety-friendly locals and breathtaking natural scenery. The country offers dramatic mountains, lakes, forests, and coastal landscapes. Travelers can explore national parks filled with waterfalls and hiking trails. Road trips across the islands reveal incredible scenery at every turn. Adventure activities such as hiking, kayaking, and skydiving attract outdoor enthusiasts. English-speaking communities make communication simple for visitors. Small towns and welcoming culture create a relaxed travel atmosphere. The country also offers fascinating Maori cultural experiences. Visitors can enjoy peaceful nature and thrilling adventures. New Zealand remains one of the most beginner-friendly destinations. 1. Singapore, the perfect first international destination. Singapore takes the #1 spot because it combines modern infrastructure, safety, and cultural diversity. The city is extremely clean, organized, and easy for travelers to navigate. Public transportation is efficient, affordable, and simple to use. English is widely spoken, making communication very easy for visitors. Travelers can explore futuristic skylines, gardens, shopping districts, and cultural neighborhoods. Singapore is also famous for its incredible street food and international cuisine. Attractions such as Marina Bay and Gardens by the Bay create unforgettable city views. The country blends Asian traditions with modern innovation beautifully. Visitors feel comfortable, safe, and welcomed from the moment they arrive. Singapore truly stands as the perfect destination for first-time international travelers. Traveling internationally for the first time can be one of the most exciting experiences in life. These 10 countries provide the perfect balance of safety, culture, adventure, and convenience. Each destination offers unforgettable landscapes, welcoming communities, and amazing cultural discoveries. Exploring the world helps people understand different traditions and ways of life. Your first international trip often becomes the beginning of a lifelong passion for travel. The world is filled with incredible destinations waiting to be discovered. Starting with beginner-friendly countries makes the experience easier and more enjoyable. Tell us in the comments which country you would choose for your first international trip. Share this video with friends who dream about traveling the world. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel documentaries and amazing destinations around the world.